we're not here para manggulo. Kami ang ginugulo. We're not here para dagdagan pa ang problema ng Pilipino. We're here para yung hindi maayos, ayusin. So until we have true repentance and true reforms, corruption will continue at the highest levels. I was sad because I've been saying this for 3 weeks. I've been saying independent investigation because I do believe the President is being given wrong information. So nung sinabi niya yung barilan, paulit-ulit sinasabi ng NBI at DOJ, wala sa Senate. We have evidence, so mapipilitan kami na i-hearing din yan. So the Committee on Public Order will hear, will get to the bottom of this, will bring the NBI, the DOJ, PNP, DILG, lahat ng nag-iimbestiga, sabay-sabay na kami iimbestigahan lahat, no? So I want you to understand that the rule about voting is tied to the control. So totoo, 13 ang kailangan para mapalitan ng SP. Pero ang magpapatawag po ng hearings ay yung chairperson.